with the Stars, Mr. Timothy Coakley. Let's give him a nice round of applause. Yes. Let's give him a guest to please circle up. I'm going to ask you guys one question. Did you guys have a good time tonight? Make some noise. By the way, we're scheduled to party till 11 o'clock, but the after party will continue in Brianna Traficante's suite. So let's give Brianna a big round of applause. She's got booze and Pop-Tarts in her suite. So let's go to Brianna's suite right after this. At this time, we'd like all guests to make their way to our dance. Well, let's circle it up. Let's hold hands with the one next to you right now. Those of you in the rear, we'd like you to be a part of the circle. And let's give our fantastic staff at the Wachusett Village Inn a nice round of applause. At this time, the new Mr. and Mrs. Timothy Coakley will now share their last dance.
Yeah.
Let's give our newlyweds one more big round of applause.